Is it food? Real grown food? Is it food? Real grown food? And there's a science to this. Something I wish I would have known when I was a kid is this, that the food I eat changes the way I feel, changes my emotions, changes the way my brain is working, changes the way my body feels. Hey Izzy, we've been talking about food in this module and wondered if you had anything to say about food.
Oh yeah, I love food. And you know what my favorite food is, Guy?
No, I don't.
Flies. I love the flies. And look at my tongue. Really good for catching the flies.
And Izzy, do you eat a lot of flies in a day? How many flies do you eat?
Oh, I don't know, as many as I can catch. But I'll tell you this, they don't all taste the same. They don't.
And why do you think that is?
I don't know. Why?
Do you know where those flies have been, Izzy?
No, I never thought about that. Who cares where they were? I don't care about that.
Yeah, well, maybe you want to start thinking about flies, because do they ever make you feel funny after you eat them?
I never noticed, but I do freak out a lot.
Become a food scientist. Find out, what types of foods does your body love that make your body feel strong, energetic, resilient, powerful? Because some foods, you might find out, make you feel weaker, tired. Some foods even make you feel angry or scared. Find out for yourself. Food is very important to your sense of well-being, that you feel good. And the scientists tell us, eat nutrient-dense foods. Eat real grown foods that have lots of nature's nutrients. And green leafy foods are some of the most powerful nutrient-dense foods on Earth. Some of the biggest animals on Earth only eat green foods. And here we have the dinosaur kale. I love this type of kale, and there's many types of kale you dinosaur lovers should know. Many dinosaurs only ate the green leafy foods. Here's another type of very colorful Swiss rainbow chard. Okay, so this has so many colors in it. What's that tell us? Lots of nutrients. Here is a collard green. You think that's going to be good for you? We like to eat the colors of the rainbow because the nutrients come in all the different colors of nature. Here's some carrots that come in some very nice different colors, nutrient dense. What is real grown food? Well, you can tell it's real grown food because look at it. Does it look like it was grown? Yes, it does. And some of my favorite types of foods also are the fruits. Take a look at this beautiful bowl of fruits. And I like to put nuts in there. I like to put raisins in there. And another thing I like to put in my fruit salad, let me see if I can find one. Oh, here's one. This is called a goji berry. Now, a goji berry is what's known as a superfood. Some foods are so full of nutrients that they're called superfoods. Find out about them and see how they make you feel. That you become a food scientist. Find out about your food. What's in your food? Where was it grown? How was it taken care of? These are things that will affect how you feel. So the way you're a food scientist is you start to notice, how does the food make you feel? Know the difference between food that has been processed in a factory, comes in a bag or a box, and food that is real grown food. You can tell it was grown in the earth. Now, some foods that have been processed are close to the real grown food, and you can find out by reading the label. Like this little bag of sunflower seeds was processed in a factory. But let me find out what's in it, and I can read this label. It says we have sunflower kernels, sunflower oil, and salt. I know what all those things are. This processed food is very close to the real grown food. But let's take a look at another type of food that was processed in a factory. Okay, now, can you read all those ingredients? And when you read the ingredients, ask yourself, is it food? Do I know what all those ingredients are? Do I want to put those ingredients in my body? What are they? Ask yourself this question. Is it food? Is it food? Real